a big piece of it when we're checking the heating side of the system is making sure that everything is safe. Hello, I'm Johann Dutton with Due West Air Conditioning. You know, it's really a good part of home maintenance is doing a checkup on your heating system and your cooling system on a routine basis. And there's a lot of reasons for that. One of them is keeping your energy efficiency where it needs to be, and that can be accomplished by making sure that your blower stays nice and clean. If you got filters that need to be changed, getting those swapped so you got good airflow going through your system. Another is just the reliability of it. And so when we come out, we check all of the components that tend to have lifespans that are shorter than the age of the equipment itself. And then the third, and really a big piece of it when we're checking the heating side of the system, is making sure that everything is safe. So the part of that that's most important is the heat exchanger on the furnace side, because this is where your gas is blowing and providing the heating to your system. Sometimes you have an electric unit. In this case, we're dealing with a gas unit. And so we're wanting to make sure that there's no cracks in that, because if there is, we can end up having a carbon monoxide issue that can be unsafe for the occupants of the house. And unfortunately, sometimes people defer that maintenance because, you know, it is a not free service to be able to look over a unit properly and do the full checklist. But another thing is that there's a perception a lot of times that when people are getting your AC contractors into a house, they're there just to try to sell you something rather than try to help fix something or maintain something. You know, there's a lot of people in our industry that kind of feel like they are trained sales guys that happen to be able to turn a wrench. Where at Due West, we're definitely technicians that can also sometimes know the price of things if we need to replace something or fix something up, right? And so that kind of company culture and the philosophy behind how we do what we do leads to a comfort level that has our client base using us for years and years and years. And so whenever you are getting this stuff checked out, just make sure that your contractor is doing a good job of a thorough checklist of all of the safety features, such as the drain line, right? So drain lines can get backed up. They'll get clogged over time if they're not properly maintained. And what that's going to do is cause a big water issue, because most people in Houston, Texas have their equipment in the attic. And then now we got water flowing down in the ceiling, and it's a big mess. And so that's kind of one of those things that, if deferred for too long, can become a problem for people. If you want more information on how we do or signing up for one of our memberships, you can give us a look at our website, www.du-west.com.